Hey guys, so before we can build our automated system for a successful sales funnel, we need to start by creating the foundation for your website. In this video, I will be showing you an overview of the website, applications, and tools that I have found to be extremely useful in saving both time and money. Just a quick disclaimer though, I use Wix to create a lot of my automated system, but you can definitely recreate what I'm teaching you through other website and softwares as long as you know what you're doing. But in my opinion, this is the easiest way to set it all up. So let's start with the reasons as to why I use Wix and why I think it's better than other sites. The first reason is that it's extremely easy to learn in comparison to other sites like Squarespace and WordPress. It has lots of templates to choose from to get you started, but the use of its drag and drop tools to redesign your website couldn't be easier to work with. The only drawback is that once you design the website, you are stuck with that, and if you want to completely change the template, you will have to redesign the whole thing all over again. Squarespace does have this capability to easily change your template, but I have never found it necessary because as long as you design it right the first time, you'll be fine in the end. The second reason is that it's extremely easy to use their forms to capture leads and automatically send email campaigns. Every person that contacts you will have their information stored, which gives you the opportunity to reach out to them. I personally have a 10-part email series that is sent to every person that enters my giveaways. The emails include hot wedding tips and also encourages them to join my private Facebook group. I also sneak in little snippets about my wedding business to share more about myself and my work, which allows them to get to know me better. A lot of couples have actually reached out to me saying how much they love reading my tips. This turns out to be the perfect time to start a conversation with them and maybe schedule a consultation in the process. If couples don't want to be contacted anymore, it's also just as easy for them to unsubscribe from emails, or you can just delete their contact. The third reason is the amazing mobile app that Wix has to offer. The app is amazing because it allows you to directly communicate with clients on the go. You can easily see if they've been opening up your automated emails and reading messages with notifications. If their contact information is saved, the app will also notify you every time they are on your website and what page they are currently on in real time. The website and mobile app also notifies you when anybody else is on your website too. However, you will only know who that person is if they give you their info through your contact or any other forms that you set up. Having this knowledge gives you the power to assist clients in real time. You can also see which couples are looking at your website often, which gives you the opportunity to reach out to them or follow up if needed. I personally like using the app mostly for my contests and giveaways. Every time a person submits an entry, it notifies me and I reach out to that person within the next day or two. It's important to remember to get the conversation going with them as soon as possible so that you can catch them when they are most hyped up about your work. Finally, the biggest reason I love Wix is that it's so much cheaper to create the whole automation process than using multiple sites that increase the amount of monthly and yearly subscriptions that you pay for. So let's go over the parts that we need to set up our website and compare that with the cost of using other sites. First, we need a host for our domain for our website address. Wix can host a domain for you, but at a cost. It's pretty much the same pricing as any other host site, but can definitely be cheaper per year depending on the domain you choose. I've compared my own website address to big sites like GoDaddy, Bluehost, and SiteGround, and found it to be cheaper than all of them. It's also good to remember when choosing a domain that you want it to include hot keywords that will help in search results on Google. My website has wedding in the name for that reason. So anytime someone looks up wedding vendors in my region, my business will come up more often. It's not necessary, but it definitely helps. Next, we have to choose what website builder to use. Wix definitely has a lot of plans they offer, but you honestly only need the smallest unlimited plan, which is currently $17 a month. I wouldn't go for the cheapest option because you want unlimited bandwidth, which is basically the amount of data you are allowed per month. If your bandwidth is limited, then you will only be allowed a certain amount of visitors, which can really hinder your business. Wix is also the only website builder that has a free plan. This is a great way to test it out for a while before paying any money at the cost of their logo on your website. Squarespace's most popular plan is $18 a month and seems pretty similar to what Wix has to offer. For some reason, Wix just doesn't list everything it actually comes with, but it has a lot of amazing plugins and apps that it offers too. WordPress is actually cheaper than both of these options with their popular plan at $8 a month, but I've heard it's the hardest to learn how to use. You'll have to do more in-depth research into what website builder works best for you, but this is just a basic guide to their different price points. We also need to purchase Wix's Ascend plan, which is an all-in-one business solution that allows you to seamlessly interact with your customers, create useful automations to enhance your marketing capabilities, and grow your business all in one place. This allows you to easily set up and design email marketing campaigns and also have the capability to get real-time data with customers on your site. Email marketing is a great way to keep your subscribers engaged and up to date with your work. Wix also does have the option to connect third-party sites as well. As always, just make sure that you do your research first before diving head in. Overall, the cost of Wix is only $27 a month to get everything you need going. It's definitely worth it to really launch a photography business off the ground and optimize your workflow. So that's my overview of Wix and why I use it for my business. I hope this information helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know.